Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2023. It's the opening match in the best of 3 quarter-final series. The scores, St. Jago High on 5, Kingston College on 3. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. We begin with St. Jago. St. Jago, your first minute. What is the last word in the King James Version of the Bible?
Last word.
God.
Incorrect. Amen. What are the upper small chambers of the human heart
Atria.
called? Correct. Spell the plural of the word trust, T as in T-R-U-S-S.
Trust, plural.
TRUSS. Yes.
Correct. In what year did Sanna Marin become Prime Minister of Finland?
2017.
No, 2019. Griot is a national dish.
Haiti.
Correct. Which Colorado mountain range contains the Continental Divide?
Rocky Mountain.
The Rocky Mountains.
Correct. What group won the 2022 Grammy for Song of the Year?
Son of the year. Group. I don't go. Money right.
No, Silk Sonic. What is the chemical formula for sodium metasilicate?
Na2S2O7.
No, Na2SiO3. What is the Arabic number for the Roman numerals MDLXXXIV?
IV, so 1,584.
Correct. Which actor played Rocky Balboa in the Rocky movies? Correct. That's the end of the first minute for St. Jago. Now to Kingston College for their first minute. KC, to the king of which country in the Bible did the Lord send this message, "Let my people go"?
Egypt.
Correct.
Good.
Which veins transfer oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart in humans?
Pulmonary vein.
Correct. Spell the plural of the word ellipsis. That's E-L-L-I-P-S-I-S.
ELLIPSES.
Correct. In what year did Jacinda Ardern become Prime Minister of New Zealand?
2016.
No, 2017.
All right, come.
Sancocho is a national dish in which Central American country?
Nicaragua.
No, Panama.
All right, come.
Astana is the capital city of which country?
Astana.
Kazakhstan.
Correct. Which artist won Best Song of the Year at the 2021 Grammys?
Billie Eilish.
No, her. What is the chemical formula for magnesium nitride?
So this is Mg3N2.
Correct. What is the Arabic number for the Roman numerals MCM LXXIII?
1973.
Correct.
Good.
Which actor was nicknamed the Terminator? And there's no time to answer that one. Arnold Schwarzenegger. End of the first minute for Kingston College. And now back to St. Jago for their second minute. St. Jago, in what year did Neil Armstrong first walk on the moon?
1969.
Correct. What nationality is Chelsea Football Club player Mikhailo Mudryk?
Ukrainian.
Yes. When changing current in one coil induces an EMF in the other, what is this phenomenon called?
VPP.
Potential difference.
Incorrect. Mutual induction. What is the Spanish for I love you?
I love
Te
you.
amo.
Amo.
Yes. What does the initial in author J.K. Rowling's name stand for? The initials.
You and Kathleen.
No, Joanna Kathleen. What is the formal name for Brescia in Jamaica?
Breadfruit.
Correct. Give the full name of the young man in the Bible who became discouraged when traveling with the Apostle Paul.
Dimas.
Incorrect. John Mark. How many bones are in the human elbow?
We have 3.
Three.
Correct. Give the Jamaican word, the 3-word Jamaican expression beginning with the word small. That means to make space for someone else.
Small myself.
Correct. What political party won a 3rd consecutive term in general elections in Antigua and Barbuda?
Antigua Labour Party.
Yes. And that's it. That's the bell. End of the second minute for St. Jago. Now to Kingston College. This is their second minute. Kingston College, in what year did Ellen Ochoa become the first female Hispanic astronaut?
2015.
No, 1993.
All right, come.
From which country in Crystal Palace Football Club does Daset Zaha play?
England.
No, Ivory Coast.
All right, come.
DC current can be controlled by which component?
Modulator.
Incorrect. Resistance. What is the Spanish for I hate you?
The audio.
Correct. What do the initials in author J.D. Salinger's name stand for?
Jerome David.
Correct. What is another name of the Jamaican authentic dish tonkan meal?
Pass.
Polenta.
All right.
Which New Testament character studied the book of Isaiah with a man from the continent of Africa?
John the Baptist.
Incorrect. Philip. What is the name of the larger of the 2 bones in the lower leg of humans?
Tibia.
Correct. Give the two-word Jamaican expression beginning with the word duppy that means someone who is fearless.
Duppy bat.
Duppy bat.
No duppy conqueror. How many seats did the winning political party obtain in the 2023 Antigua and
22.
Barbuda general elections?
22.
No, that is incorrect. They got 8 seats. End of the second minute for Kingston College. Now back to St. Jago for their third minute.
Better minute.
St. Jago, what is the only Portuguese-speaking country in the Americas?
Brazil.
Correct. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea?
Sicily.
Italy.
Correct. Who wrote the Temptations' first #1 hit song, My Girl?
My girl.
Burt Bacharach.
No, Smokey Robinson. Name one of 2 persons who discovered the element magnesium.
Magnesium. Humphrey Davy.
Correct. What is 487.008 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
100th.
487.01.
Correct. What is the name of Scooby-Doo's nephew in the cartoon of the same name?
Scooby-Doo.
Yes. In which year did the King of England knight Henry Morgan?
Henry Morgan, 19 goal.
1671.
No, 1674. Who is the 2022 RGR Gleaner National Sportsman of the Year?
Man. Rashid
Rod
Rodwell.
Correct. In which form is energy radiated from a source?
Ready? Waves.
No, photons. What question is being asked here? Tebas, yeah?
Yeah. Are you from here?
No, are you leaving now or already? What is the name of the brother of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's character Sherlock Holmes?
Mycroft. Holmes.
Correct. In what Jamaican parish is the Brimmer Hall Great?
Timmy.
That is correct. End of the third and final minute there for St. Jago. Now we go back to Kingston College for their third and final minute. KC, in how many countries and territories is Portuguese the official language?
2.
4.
Incorrect. 10.
Right.
What is the largest island in the Baltic Sea?
In the Baltic Sea. Sarima.
No, Gotland.
Right.
Who wrote the Monkees' #1 hit song, I'm a Believer?
What? Pass.
Pass.
Neil Diamond. Who discovered the element radon?
Radon. This is Morris Travers.
Incorrect. Frederick Dorn. What is 58.986 rounded to the nearest hundred?
100.
Correct. Who is Scooby-Doo's owner and best friend in the anime?
Shaggy.
Yes. Who was Prime Minister of Jamaica when the country received a visit from a U.S. president for the first time?
So,
So that is Edward Jago.
Correct.
Good.
Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2023 RGR Gleaner Sportsman and
Asama Paul.
Correct. What is the name of the specific process by which energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation is emitted by a heated surface?
Photoluminescence.
No, thermal radiation.
All right, come.
Me voy a dormir. What action am I contemplating?
Sleeping.
Yes. What is the name? And that's it. That's the end of the speed challenge. The scores are St. Jago High on 25, Kingston College on 17. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. The opening match in the best of 3 quarterfinals in TVJ Schools Challenge Season 2023 returns right after this.